I'm back today with another video. Of course, you read the title already. Today we'll be learning how to do a basic toss. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. If you don't follow me on my social media platforms, I don't know what you're doing to make that happen. So, me and my little one are on the way to the field. So, I will be right back. Okay, so I gotta make this quick because my phone is like on 5%. Alright, so to do a basic toss, you're gonna hold your baton like this. Now, the first exercise that we're gonna do is this little thing like this to get you, used to, you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. To get you used to knowing how to do this or whatever. Second, the second exercise that we're gonna do, you're gonna roll it off of your thumb and let it just fall to the ground. And you're gonna give me a thumbs up. Here's an example of what I mean. Boom. Okay? Just like that. Boom. Now it doesn't matter which way your big ball is pointing. I technically like for my big ball to point to the left because it just feels better because I toss like that. So, again, the second exercise is 1, 2, 3. Very, very simple. You just let it roll off of your thumb. Because when you do a toss, you're basically doing a thumbs up, but it's a quick thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? You'll see in a minute. So, once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, now, this is the toss. You are going to toss up. Toss, like, literally right in front of you. Don't toss out. Don't toss all the way over there, nothing like that, okay? Toss right in front of you, okay? So, you're going to push up on your thumb, meaning when you get your thumb, you're going to push up just like that. Boom. Boom, okay? So, I'm sorry, y'all, I gotta, damn it! Gotta watch my kid. Hold on, I'll be right back. So, the way that it's going to go, don't catch it. Just toss it up and let it hit the ground, okay? It's a butterfly. Toss it up and just let it hit the ground, okay? So, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, okay? Just so you can get used to the feeling and everything, okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we are going to catch it. So the way that we were taught to catch it in an L. Okay, I'm so used to catching it the way that I like to catch it that I don't necessarily catch it in an L, but I'm gonna try and catch it in an L. Okay, so let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I can't catch it in an L. I'm sorry. I catch it the way that I catch it. The way that I catch it is just, it's just a different feeling to me, okay? So, once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Okay? Now, when you stand up, I just wanted y'all to see that close up and personal, okay? Now, when you stand up, your left hand is going to be on your hip. This is the basic toss for the basic toss stance. You're gonna have your left hand and an L on your hip. You're going to tuck your elbow nice and snug to your side, and you're going to hold your baton like this. Okay? So, the way that it's going to go now is the same way that I just showed you. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Simple. All right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is how you do a basic toss. And that concludes this video. If you learned something today, make sure you like and leave a little comment. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed because I have so much more to teach you all. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. Most likely will be something that has to do with tossing, okay? So it's a beautiful day out here. Y'all see the sun? Oh gee, I don't have on no makeup. I know I probably look crazy, but I don't care. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!